Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Make sure your phone is unlocked and you can access the account tied to the code. Once done, locate any backup codes or an alternate 2FA method so you won't be locked out. Now open Google Authenticator and find the specific account entry you want to remove. You'll need that visible to confirm which code you're deleting. This avoids accidental removal of the wrong account and explains why preparation prevents service interruptions. You'll now perform the removal. Tap the account row, then the three-dot menu or edit option and select Remove or Delete. Confirm the action when prompted. Make sure to read any warning about losing codes. If the app asks for device authentication or your account password, provide it to finalize deletion. Once finished, the code is gone from this device, which is useful when retiring a phone or stopping use of that 2FA method. After removal, immediately log into the associated service and either disable two-factor authentication there or add a replacement method so access remains secure. Make sure to save any new backup codes in a secure place. If you find yourself locked out, use your previously saved backup codes or follow the service's account recovery process. That's why you prepared backups. This final step closes the loop and prevents accidental permanent lockout of your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.